Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by plugging an Ethernet cable directly between the two laptops and turning off Wi-Fi so nothing routes elsewhere. Next, open Network Settings and assign static IP4 addresses, 192, 168, 10, one on one machine and 192, 168, 10, two on the other, both using subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 0. Once done, verify connectivity with a ping. If a reply arrives, the link is live. This avoids routers and wireless interference and gives you a fast, private channel for file transfer. With the network confirmed, enable file sharing on both systems so each laptop can access shared folders. On Windows, turn on network discovery and file and printer sharing on the private profile. Share the target folder and set permissions for the user or everyone with required access. On Mac OS, open sharing and enable file sharing, adding the folder and granting read or read/write to the connecting account. Once done, use the other laptop to browse the share via IP address to see and transfer files. Now access the shared folder directly by IP, type \\\192, 168, 10. 1 in Windows Explorer or SMB://192, 168, 10. 1 on Mac OS, then copy files. For large transfers, calculate checksums before and after to ensure integrity. When done, sign out of shares and re-enable Wi-Fi if needed. If you cannot connect, check firewalls, temporarily disable or create a rule to allow SMBS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.